Hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you what you can do when there seem to be items missing in your TEMU order. So you simply didn't receive your items. Now the first step, of course, open up your preferred browser and head down to the TEMU web shop. Now from there, open up the TEMU website and sign into your existing account where you've placed the order. Now from there you go to the orders and account details, and right here you see a little support tab in the right corner. Now make sure to select the placed order where you have the missing items. So simply head down to the support, open up the support tab, and here let's say I am missing this iPhone case. What I can do is simply open up this order and from there go to problems with an item. Now from there you see the missing items and parts section. Simply open it up and here you have missing items or missing or broken parts. Now simply press missing items if you are missing a complete item, or if you miss just single parts or broken parts, select that option. Now we're going for the missing items, and from here allow pop-ups for TEMU. Now, and as you can see, it just made a different tab. Now for me it's the iPhone case. Now simply select it, and from there scroll all the way down till you find the next step. Now in the next step, upload photos of your package, so the package you've just bought, and from there describe the details of the missing item. So what the item is, how it's supposed to look like, and from there you can press next. Now let me say it's a phone case, simply press next. Now here you can select a refund method. Now you can credit it to your TEMU balance or simply refund the original payment method. Now I would recommend this one, and then it will be ordered back to your bank account or your PayPal or whatever you used to buy the product. Now from there simply submit the request and TEMU will give you a refund of the given item. Now, if this tutorial has helped you, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.